The Mountain Aire 4118 is another popular floor plan. So in the Mountain Aire, we get the 38-foot option, the 41-foot option, and then the 45-foot option. All 525 horsepower. Great coach. If you want to really come and take a closer look at it, make sure you come out and visit us at National Indoor RV Centers. This is the Imperial exterior. I absolutely love this. I was thinking that maybe that blue one was my favorite, but now it's a toss-up. I really think this is nice too. Let's check out the storage that we have in the 4118. So we have the optional Dometic exterior refrigerator freezer, the shelf above, so we have that extra space. We have the pass-through tray that is powered. Again, you option that in if you want a pass-through tray, if you want it manual, if you want it powered. Another nice big compartment. You can see the back side of our Oasis hydronic on-demand heater and hot water system. And then we have our pegboard. Next to two compartments are our DEF and our chassis batteries. Great exterior TV so that you can have your tailgate party, put out your awnings, sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite show. Also, we can option in the 360 camera, which is going to give you that bird's eye view as you're going down the road. Let's go check out the inside. Remember, the Mountain Aire is all new for 2025, so notice the beautiful ceiling treatment, the beautiful fascia here with the backlit. It looks so nice. This is the morel wood with the high gloss finish. And then this is the Winston decor package. Again, another package. How many times have I said I love it, but it just looks so pretty. Again, we get the leather in our furniture and our captain's chairs. We've optioned in the theater seating, power controls here, or USB outlet there, control panel for our TV lift. Notice that we've got storage all along here that's undivided. So when I pull this open, there is no divider, so it really gives you optimal use of that space. Then across, we've got our sofa here, TV on the TV lift, storage compartments. This is our AV compartment, sound bar above. Notice the beautiful sconces. And then as we head into the kitchen, more storage. Beautiful solid surface countertop. We have the induction cooktop. And remember, if you need to, you can take those all the way outside, plug them in outside, do whatever cooking you want out there. Convection microwave oven. Notice that we've got a nice big window, and I absolutely love, this is one of my favorite backsplashes for 2025 here in the Mountain Aire. Great residential faucet, nice sink, flip down. Love the hardware that they put in here, the pull out garbage can, and then more storage, optional dishwasher, and then we've got even a little bit more counter space here and the full extension drawers. Optioned in the booth again. Again, I love the detailing of the furniture. We have storage underneath the booth. This is going to pull out. We're going to have 2 extra leaves plus 2 extra folding chairs. Storage all the way across the top. Nice big window. Love just the simplicity of the valance. Just looks really nice and sharp. We've got our silver leaf control panel here, and then we go into our half bath. Porcelain toilet, push button controls, lots of storage, beautiful backlit mirror and sink, solid surface countertop. Across from that, we've got our Whirlpool refrigerator freezer, water in the door, and nice big pantry. Then we head into the master bedroom. King size bed, storage above, nice padded headboard, beautiful sconces, Windows on either side of the bed so you can have that nice cross breeze. Nightstand on both sides of the bed, both that have USB and 110 charging ability inside the nightstand, and a little cord space there. Across from the bed, we've got wardrobe space with the bar. Nice big TV. This is sort of that standard setup that we're getting back to. Great storage there, 6 drawers, and then we also have the storage underneath the king size bed, where we see our folding chairs and our extra leaves for our dinette table. Remember, this is the 4118. Now, years ago, they added that extra foot so that we could get the nice rectangle shower. Love that. Love the new tile, the towel bars, grab bar, shower assist bar in here. Then we've got storage with adjustable shelves. Nice big wardrobe there. The wiring panel, the optional safe. Love the backlit mirrors and love the storage that I get behind those mirrors, along with a 110 outlet so I can put my blow dryer, my curling iron right up there and just close them off. Also nice solid surface countertop, beautiful sink, more storage below. And again, those soft closed doors. And the optional washer and dryer here. Push button controls for our porcelain toilet. We've got the emergency egress door. And check out that linen closet. Really, really, really nice. Lots of space and even more below.